Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Katie. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to take you along on some days in my life as a small business owner working from home, a freelance video editor, if you were curious. I'm here with my new friend right in the middle of my forehead, so it's off to a great start. But today is Wednesday. I'm going to show you a little bit of Wednesday and Thursday because those are kind of my busier work days, and I wanted to show you like what I do on a normal basis. It is 4 o'clock right now, but I still have a couple things to do on the work side. I just got my tax return back. It's a little bit before taxes are due still. It was a lot. So if you are wanting to be a freelance person, just know that taxes can be pricey. Mine was a little bit of an exception because I had an Airbnb on mine and it was like this whole dealio where it shouldn't have been on my taxes. So my taxes were a little like not correct. I don't know how else to explain that. So if you are a small business owner or thinking about being a small business owner, definitely save money just for your taxes. I know you should be making like estimated payments every quarter, but still, just in case, you want to have money saved up for those normal taxes because sometimes it can get ya. But right now I'm going to edit a video hopefully and get that done. I'm trying to get ahead of my schedule because I'm going to go to Disneyland for like a week, or like the whole trip is going to take me a week. So I'm trying to get stuff done before that. Definitely going to have a vlog for Disneyland, so stay tuned for that. We are trying to get the work done. It's Wednesday. I have a week and a half to get all the videos in bulk done. I feel like when I take a break like off my business, even just a couple days, it's like there's a lot to catch up on because, you know, I don't have anybody filling in for me when I'm like taking time off. It's kind of just like me and just me. So I have to make sure that I have all my ducks in a row. My clients are happy and I'm happy and we're all just happy. That's all I want. We're going to do some work and you might see some cats in this video. They just got spayed, so they're a little, it's a whole situation. We'll talk about it later, but let's do some work. So I don't know who can work with their hair down, but I for surezies cannot. So I have to put my hair up. And you might hear some meowing in the background in some of these clips. I can't help it. That's just what's going on here. So we're going to edit this video and then edit some more. So today I've edited one full video and some edits on some other things. I try to not edit like 100 videos a day. I try to like cap it at 2 or 3 just for my own sanity, and editing does take a lot out of me just because I have to be creative constantly throughout the video editing process. It is a lot easier than it used to be, like especially when I was first getting into it, but now it's almost like second nature. But I still have to be very creative and have my client in mind while I'm editing. It's kind of this like whole process. I am in the mind of my clients. I don't normally think about it too much, but when I say it out loud, that is definitely what is happening. I have to edit something that they're trying to depict, like the emotions and the vibes and everything that's coming across. Like I have to be the one to kind of bring that to life, especially if it's a video where they're just sitting down and talking to the camera. I really have to make it more alive. That's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna edit some videos and see where the day goes. Hey guys, it is now Thursday. It is a very, very rainy day outside, so the lighting is a little funky. I am still getting over whatever thing that is going on in my face, but we are working today. I have a couple things to do regarding video editing. I completely I completely forgot to film last night after I edited. I did a video and then my cats were just being way too much, so I had to take a break and now I'm back at it. Our one cat, we have two cats, they just got spayed and one is having a hard time healing. So she has a cone on, we have to seclude her and it's just not healing correctly. I have one on my lap right now and she's completely fine. So they are very different. One is a very sensitive little being. So it's just kind of chaos with the animal department. Anyways, I'm going to finish up this video, hopefully export it. This video is going to take like 10 years to export because it's has a lot in it. Like normal videos don't take very long because I don't have like 1,000 layers on them, but I have one client that I put like so many edits on the video that it takes like forever to export. So we'll see. We will see. I just want to get some things done. So let's get working. This is a kitty. This is little Lilo. She's the one that's healing just fine. And she is happy. So I'm back. I went to the gym and now I have a phone call. After the phone call, we have to kind of race to our vet because, like I was saying, Calliope, our cat, her incision is infected, it looks like, at least. So the vet is a half an hour away. So we have to, and it's raining, like pouring rain. So this poor cat. And yeah, I have a phone call with someone who found me through somebody else. And so before I have Zoom calls, I kind of get a little anxious, and that's what's happening right now. But actually today I'm okay. And I just found out that I have a therapy appointment tonight at 7 p.m. I didn't even know I had one, so I guess we'll be doing that later. Happy Friday, everybody. It is kind of a late start to my work, at least. I've done a lot today, just haven't done as much work yet. Yesterday, I got so caught up not working. I had to rush my cat to the vet, get some staples. Then I had to rush back another half an hour to get some cat prescription. Yesterday was shot. And this morning I cleaned our Airbnb and now I am doing some work. So we're gonna get some of that done. I need to like sign off on my taxes or something. Hey guys, yes, I am still in the same spot as I was earlier. I literally haven't gotten up since I got home around 1, I think, and it's 5 o'clock. So I've been sitting here for a little while trying to get some things done. And I just finished up a video for one of my clients and now I'm doing another one. So I just wanted to talk about something that has been on my mind, and I don't know if any one of you can relate if you are a small business owner that's service-based. Right now I am just service-based. I am trying to figure out how to like expand more and like digital products or YouTube or something like that. So I have a system where I have my discovery calls with potential clients, and then that's how I get connected to people. I always want to have a phone call before I work with anyone, just so I can get their vibe, they can get my vibe to see if we work together. And my last phone call that I haven't had one of these in a while. I feel like most of the people that I talk to, not to like toot my own horn, I feel like I get along with them very well and very easily, even if they don't turn into a client. I just feel like I like talking to YouTubers and potential YouTube people, you know. I feel like we have a lot in common, and a lot of the people that I attract for those calls, we kind of have a similar vibe usually, but sometimes we don't. Sometimes people don't vibe with your vibe. I've been doing this job, my business, for over 2 years now. I've been supporting myself and doing it all by myself. And this is my main business, like how I make money in my life, like how I can afford to live in the house that I live in. I think some people get caught up in pricing and paying people for what they are actually worth. And I've noticed that sometimes when I bring up how much money it costs to use my services, people get shut down and like get weird and kind of, some people even like attack, like wondering why I should be the one that they hire instead of somebody who's paying somebody like $5 an hour on Fiverr or something. So I just wanted to like talk about it a little bit because I feel like people aren't appreciative of how much work goes into running your own business. I don't know if this makes any sense, but I just wanted to say it's okay to pass on people. Like I've learned over these 2+ years that I've been doing this, like I've taken on clients that I did not vibe with at all, and it just turned into not a fun time. And I feel like it's totally fine to say no, and even if you do offend someone, it's not meant to be. So that's how I feel sometimes when I talk to people, like they just don't vibe with me, and that is okay. Like I don't have to vibe with everybody. We're humans. There's a bajillion people on this planet. There's always another client out there. So that to say, I just want to say, I don't want you to jump into working with people that you definitely feel like are giving you weird vibes or like anything kind of off, because then if you sign a contract with them, then you're stuck with them for like a little while. So why would you want to put yourself into that position, you know? I really hope that makes sense. I'm just trying to figure it out myself. It's really hard to say no sometimes, especially me as a people pleaser. Like I want to say yes to everyone and I want to make everyone like me. Like that's what my main goal is, I guess, in my crazy brain. But I don't have to have everyone like me, and I don't have to have everyone be a client, and there's limits here. There's boundaries. We want to like the people we're working with, right? Like we want to vibe. We want to work together for a long time. It's not like we have to work with every single person we ever talk to. So that to say, I am going to keep working on this video. I have to go check the fire. Let's go do that. We are in my living room and I have to check the fire. This is the fireplace. If you've seen any of my previous vlogs, you would have seen this fireplace before, because you know, it's so exciting. It's like April somethingth and it's still cold outside, so I have to light a fire if I don't want to run the heater. I just went outside to get a piece of firewood and I noticed that there was like a feather stuck to the sliding door. I'm not going to show it. There's like a feather stuck to it and I was like, is that a spider? But no, a bird must have hit the freaking window so hard it's dead on the ground. So now we have to clean that up. It's like, what? This poor bird. We just love this angle, don't we? You know, I really want to post more on YouTube. Like, I want to be consistent and I want to be like my clients, you know, like they're posting consistently. But it's freaking hard, man. I feel for anyone who is posting on YouTube consistently with more than that. You know, like that's not their main job. Like they still have other things to do. It's just like a lot of work. Like I know how much work it goes into the video editing, but just like picking up the camera and remembering to like film something in your day and like make it look semi-decent, that's hard work. We got 2 cuddly sleepers. This poor one is on a cone and will be for a little while. They're just chilling. She needs medication soon, so that'll be grand old time. I always film my videos when I look my best. I don't know what's going on with this. I literally slept with my hair in this and it's now 6 p.m. So I am going to wrap up my work day. I am currently making some dinner. I think I'm going to try to edit this video so I can get it up tomorrow. This video was kind of random, but I just wanted to show you like kind of the structure of no structure days. Like there was literally no structure to this vlog. It was like Wednesday work. I started this late. Thursday I had to go to the pet hospital and then the pharmacy, and it took me all day because it was it was far away. And then today I literally just worked all day, so not too exciting. You know, being a small business owner and working from home with no like employees or anything can get kind of like lonely sometimes, but I'd rather be doing this than working an 9 to 5 normal job. I really love working for myself, so I just wanted to share that with you. If you guys have any questions about like working for yourself, or how I got started on video editing, or how I even started a business, let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. As I said before, I am looking to like expand my business and do something a little different, as well as keeping my services. So if you have any suggestions, if you're a course person or a digital product person or any type of person, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your advice, how you went from service-based to like selling digital stuff or whatever you do. I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Make sure to stay tuned for my next video. Oh, I should tell you the book that I'm reading currently. I know that I kind of like go back and forth between like vlogs, work vlogs, and then I post about books. I don't know. I'm all over the place. But right now I'm reading The Anatomy of Jane. It's a pretty raunchy photo. You can't see it because my camera won't focus. But it's by Amelia LaFay. It's literally, what's that one book called? Not Dirty Daddies, but anyways, it's a spicy book, so that's all you gotta know. So that's what I'm gonna listen to while I make dinner. Just learned a little bit more about me, didn't ya? Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for my next video. You can ask me any questions down below. I'm here to help, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.